Although it's just a year old, Valorant has managed to cement itself as one of the most popular free-to-play games today, thanks to its high-skill, high-intensity competitive gameplay as a first-person shooter. While Valorant does have a ranking system, how exactly it works can be a bit confusing. If you're new to the game or an old player who's just curious, here's how the current ranking system works. As soon as you start playing competitively after winning 10 unrated matches, you'll be playing for rank rating points, or RR. You'll get your first rank after 5 ranked matches, Iron 1. Every subsequent rank up costs 100 RR until you hit Immortal. Ranks from Iron to Diamond have 3 ranks within them, so you'll progress through Iron 2 and Iron 3 before you hit Bronze 1. You can also get bumped down ranks if you lose a game while at 0 RR on your current rank. Per match, you gain anywhere from 10 to 50 RR on a win, and lose anywhere from 10 to 30 RR on a loss, depending on your performance and how bad you lost. From Iron to Diamond ranks, you get a maximum of 20 RR on a draw, but once you hit Immortal, you'll get nothing. Aside from your rank, Valorant also monitors your performance with your matchmaking rank, or MMR. Essentially, every player is assigned a rank number based on personal performance, from best to worst. No player can hold the same rank number, so your rank number can swing wildly from game to game. To avoid confusion, you can't exactly see this without mods, but you can definitely feel it. Essentially, the game tries to make your visible rank with your MMR. So if you start losing more RR when you lose than what RR you gain from a win, your MMR is lower than your current visible rank. On the flip side, if you start getting more RR when you win compared to the RR you lose on a loss, your MMR is probably above your current visible rank. You'll know when you even out when you gain or lose RR pretty much evenly. If you feel like you're getting bogged down, you'll just need to keep winning consistently to keep your MMR high. Now, if you manage to grind your way through the ranks and reach Immortal, you've pretty much hit the top rank. If you keep winning and push to be the best, you'll hit a threshold and make it into your region's top 500 leaderboard. Here, you're ranked as one of the top 500 players in the region and receive the rank of Radiant. This is where you'll fight it out to the number 1 spot. To stay on the leaderboard, you'll have to play at least 1 game a week before you start to get overtaken. Valorant's top tier is extremely exclusive. Immortal players make up for less than 1% of the player base, while Radiant players make up around 0.1% of all players. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Valorant and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.